Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael, and I got my nephew Colton behind the camera today. And guys, I am very, very grateful that he's helping me out today. See, we have reached a point where it's the gardener's favorite time of year, harvesting. And well, I've been harvesting stuff already, plenty of stuff, but this is the final harvest for these tomatoes. Now, as you can see, they're starting to die off, and well, guys, these are determinate tomatoes. This is what they do. They produce and then they die. And well, it's time to pick them. Now, you can see I do have some green tomatoes left on these plants. And well, we just gonna throw those off in the woods too. See, none of this stuff is going into my compost. I do not want any of the diseases from the tomato plants to go in the compost. But I ain't quite ready to pull them up yet. All I'm wanting to do right now today is actually get all the tomatoes up. I want to get my beans up. I want to get, let me rephrase that. I want to pick my beans today. I want to pick cherry tomatoes today. I want to pick my peppers today. I want to pick my okra today. I want to pick my eggplant today. I got a lot of picking to do. And as soon as my peas come along, I'm going to be picking some peas. But guys, we got a lot of harvesting to do, and we're gonna jump into Super Frog to get her done. So guys, let's jump to it. And we are back from Super Frog mode, y'all. Woo-wee. Guys, it's hot. It's lunchtime. The temperature today is supposed to be around 99 degrees. Heat index 110, 112, somewhere around there. And you add that humidity that's on top of that. Whew, that's a rough day. But we got everything picked that we're going to be picking today. And ooh, did you see that bushel basket of tomatoes, y'all? Now, a bushel basket of tomatoes is going to be 50 plus pounds. And then you add the cherry tomatoes, the eggplant, the beans, the peppers, man, a 5-gallon bucket plus another 5-gallon bucket that's over halfway full. That's a lot of peppers, y'all. Yeah, we'll be making pepper relish. We'll be canning tomatoes and probably just be eating the cherry tomatoes. Those are really good just as a snack. But guys, I want to show you something. All those tomatoes that we picked, all these tomatoes we had to throw away. Look at that, guys. That's bug damage. Stupid bugs. So y'all know I don't use pesticides. And well, that's what happens. You have to be prepared to lose some tomatoes, some of your vegetables if you don't use pesticides. It's going to happen. And this year, unlike any other year, we have been bombarded with all kinds of different pests. Now, some of them I ain't seen before, and others are ones I've seen regularly. But I tell you, I'm glad I planted what I did, because 2 bushels of tomatoes off 80 plants, I should have easily gotten about probably 5 bushels. But throwing them away like that, 2 bushels is all I'm going to get. But guys, 2 bushels is plenty for what we're wanting to do with them. To give us plenty of canned tomatoes. But we have some heirloom tomatoes down there in the front field that we need to pick. But I think I'm going to wait until later to do that, because right now the sun's beating down on me. I'm no longer sweating. I look like I just got out of the pond, and well, we don't have a pond. We don't have a stream. We don't have a pool. This is just pure out sweat. Yeah, you're hot, guys. But guys, I appreciate y'all joining in with me today. This has been a froggy day for me, picking all these vegetables and everything. Like I said, this is a gardener's favorite time of year, being able to harvest what they put a lot of work into. And if you're a gardener, you know what I mean. And if you're not a gardener, get out and grow something. Trust me, fresh vegetables, always better than store-bought. All right, guys, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.